What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Taking a look at the markets today, we see Bitcoin's up, Ripple's up, looking really awesome. It will probably hit $5 by the end of the year. Ethereum's up, looking great. Bitcoin Cash probably gonna be hitting 3,000 by the end of the month. Cardano, I just bought some Cardano. I'm really excited about this coin being in the number 5 spot. We'll see where it goes. Right now, up 8%, continuing this bullish trend upwards, hopefully to see that over a couple dollars here in the next month or so. Litecoin back up, looking a little bit stabler since that dip. Very happy to see that up over 250. Litecoin, one of my top cryptocurrencies for 2018 and what I'm giving away every single day, so really rooting for Litecoin this year. Taking a look down at EOS is looking good. Now Tron is something I've been hearing a lot of people talk about. Right now sitting at about 7 cents a coin. This is up 50%. The other day I was looking at it, was 3 cents a coin, so you just doubled your money if you invested in that. Congratulations. So invest in Tron. People are saying it's going to be the next Ripple trend, following that same trend as Ripple, heading up over a couple dollars here in the next couple months. So Tron is definitely worth getting into. BitConnect coin up over 400, and yeah guys, 2018 off to a bang with these uptrends on the markets. Very excited to see these coins doing great. Obviously there's a lot of FUD with tax law and stuff, but you know what, we're gonna survive. Just pay your taxes and you'll get through it. Not too worried about that. So yeah guys, let's head on over to Devore Coin. We made our first investment yesterday, and our lending wallet, with the support of you guys, has gone up a little bit. So let's do our first DAVORCOIN Reinvest. For those of you who don't know, Devore Coin is an amazing lending site. It is an altcoin that has developed an exchange. It's developed its own wallet. It's got a staking program that's very profitable right now, earning you about 10% per month on staking, and it's got a lending program with great daily lending percents. You're earning a percent of the money that you're lending them. Yesterday I lent them $130. You see my total investment there, and my active investment of $130, and earning this 1% today. We'll see the first payout tonight, but let's go ahead and check out the reinvestment option on this. So from the looks of it, we can reinvest $17.23. Let's give that a try. Boom, right there guys. What's cool with Devore Coin, unlike BitConnect where you can only reinvest in $10 increments, I think you can reinvest over $10, any amount over $10. So there we have it guys, reinvested $17.23, bringing our total up to $147.23 in active investments. Devore Coin is a great program for lending guys. I encourage you get in on this. It's been very profitable. They've got a great affiliate program. So if you want to join up, go ahead and click the link down below to sign up for Devore Coin. Signing up is completely free. All you do is transfer a little bit of Bitcoin to it. You head over to your exchange, and here your available Bitcoin balance will show here, and you'll be able to buy some Devore Coin, and then if you go to the lending, you'll be able to actually lend that Devore Coin to them for a certain amount of time, and then of course after the number of days specified, you will get your capital release back. They give you really cool bonuses. So I put in this $130 the other day and added 120 days to it, and to get this 0.1% bonus every single day, just to start snowballing that compounding interest that I'm getting every single day. So that will obviously be released to me in 2019, but if we look at the $17 one, that's going to be released to me October 2018, so about 299 days on that. So yeah guys, give Devore Coin a chance. It's really awesome program. And with that guys, let's head over to find out our giveaway winner. If you did not know, I give away $10 worth of Litecoin every single day. To enter to win, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, like the video, and of course comment your Litecoin address down below. And we've got today's video all queued up here. Let's go ahead and start the raffle to see who our winner is for today. Thanks for all the support on the channel, you guys. It's been awesome to see it grow. Winner is TGGRSFS. I'm invested in Devore Coin at the moment. Loving the interest rates. There you have it guys. Someone else beside me complimenting the program. Alright man, let's head over to our GDAX wallet to send you your Litecoin. Putting in your Litecoin address here, and $10 is about 0.39 Litecoin at the moment. Of course the price is going up. Let's put in our code here and send you your Litecoin. Alright, there you go, man. Here's your Litecoin. Alright, thank you so much for entering to win. Alright guys, sorry about that little breakup there. For some reason my camera didn't work that great this video, and I accidentally gave away about $100 worth of Litecoin just there. But you know what, bless you guys. I forgot a zero. I put 0.39 Litecoin instead of 0.039 for the $10. But you know what, hey, sometimes that happens in the crypto world. Sometimes you just get an extra blessing. So thank you so much for tuning in today, guys. Sorry that my camera isn't working right now. I need to get that fixed as well. But if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, comment your Litecoin address down below, and give this video a like, even though the camera quality sucks. Alright guys, see you tomorrow on another video. Bless you. Bye.